Good evening. Today we would like to introduce the details of our furniture shop called Haven and Hearth. And this is our team. Name of brand. We use Haven and Hearth as the name of our brand because this name represents a feeling of comfort and security like heaven associated with the well-planned home along with the warmth and unity of heart the home represents. Our brand value is we can give your dreams interior design. Items can be assembled on the same day, affordable prices with the best quality. Furniture comes from environmentally friendly materials and also local products with worldwide quality. Our brand logo. This A-shaped logo is derived from the brand name Heaven and Hearth and the slightly circular heart symbol, meaning heaven or infinity and hearth. Our brand font. Our brand uses the Leak Spartan font because it looks brave and strong with a modern minimalist touch. This font is also very easy to read, so it can attract people's attention easily. Our brand tagline is Best Experience, which is the right place to start a new journey, especially for fresh marriage. Our brand slogan is Furniture to Save Our Future. This slogan is in line with our eco-friendly product identity so it can help protect the earth and a better future.
Next, our product, unique selling propositions. Embrace calm, create warmth from furniture to home accessories. We offer a shopping experience that blends beauty and functionality, giving the perfect final touch to your living space. Our product not only sell a furniture of the house, but we strongly support the construction of houses start from zero, which means that we not only sell home furniture but also sell building materials such as ceramic, granite, stone, and each other. And we also provide a wide section of the best wall paint options with a wide range of color whatever the colors our customer wants, Heaven and Hearts will provide. Next, segmenting. Point 1 is demographic. Age. We focus on the young age group 20 until 35 years old who tend to look for modern design. Age 20-25 years old, those who are newly married and want to build a house for the first time, and age 26 until 35 years old, them who already have a staircase and have a children. Next is gender type. Adapting products to gender preferences, for example, women's or men's product. Income targeting upper middle class income, those who are interested in high quality products.
Next, our product is segmenting. 1. Geographical location. Choose an urban or suburban area that has a high interest in interior design and furniture. 2. Psychographical lifestyle refers to those who have an urban lifestyle and prioritize aesthetic in their living space. Interest. Adapting product design to market interests such as an interest in eco-friendly or sustainable furniture. 3. Behavior. Purchasing patterns. Targeting customers who often buy furniture online or who enjoy shopping in physical stores. Product preference. Adjusting product offerings and preference as physical, material, color, or design. Next, our product is targeting. Focus on the young age group 20 until 25 years old with middle to upper income who live in urban areas and have an urban lifestyle. Those who value modern, practical, and high-quality design can be the main target. Age 20 until 25 years old, marketing technical toward social media, YouTube, and influencer. Products sold are affordable, minimalist, multifunctional, and aesthetic. Age 26 until 35 years old, marketing technical, those social media, television, and influencer family. Products sold are simple, child-friendly, and low store a lot of the item. Next, our product is positioning. Point 1, as a place of sale, the furniture or interior design that is environmentally friendly. Point 2 is furniture with world quality but price affordable. Point 3 has 3 groups based on color: minimalist, colorful, and monochrome. Point 4 is furniture with models and function suitable for the age or advanced.
Next, for brand ambassador, we choose Raditya Dika because Raditya Dika has a large and engaged following on social media with over 22 million followers on Instagram alone. This makes him an ideal partner for our brand because he can help to reach a wider audience and promote our products to a younger demographic. Raditya Dika interests in interior design. Raditya Dika has expressed an interior interest and interior design in the past. This genius interest would make him a more credible and convincing spokesperson for the brand. Raditya Dika ability to connect with his fans. Raditya Dika has a strong ability to connect with his fans and build relationship with them. This ability will be valuable for an interior home decor brand, as it will help to create a royal customer base. Cost analysis. Cost that will be used. Direct materials. Materials standard used straight away to create furniture, such glass, wood, and so forth. Manufacturing overhead. Costs not directly related with relate production on curtain units. Cover rental include fees to rent factories, electricity or water to be used, equipment maintenance. Direct labor, which for exciting worker directly involved in production to be marketed under this brand.
Next, this is the stage or the step of making our product. The first is wood processing, choosing wood that is premium and can be used for a long time. Second, manufacturing or assembling raw materials into furniture that customers want. Third, the finishing or polishing process with a material that make it shiny. In the second and third process, there are additional auxiliary materials such as nails, glue, and so on. And finally, the product is finished and sent to our beloved customer. And this is the whole total of our cost production. There is a fixed cost, permanent employee salary, equipment depreciation cost, land and building tax cost. And for the variable cost there is raw material cost of auxiliary materials, labor wages, electricity costs, shipping costs, and and hold the total. Next.
Our plans to open a future store in Indonesia. We are considering opening a shop in a few strategic locations. One of them is in the area of Jakarta because as the capital, Jakarta has a large and diverse market. We have to choose both offline and online store. With online store, customers can reach more customers geographical constraint. While with offline store, we can provide a direct customer experience and build a more personal relationship. The combination of both can enhance brand presence and meet diverse customers' needs. To set up distribution channels, we plan to sell furniture directly through website or e-commerce platforms, as well as through distribution partners such as agents or other stores selling furniture products. With this combination, we can reach more customers, expand and reach of our furniture business. And this is our website. Next, smart objective specification. Heaven and Heart aims to brand awareness against environmental damage because of the products sold mostly from eco-green. Heaven and Earth has a target market 20 until 35 years old because at that age there are those who just married and want to decorate the house at their dreams, and also somehow already have children and want things in a child-friendly home. Heaven and Heart have eco-friendly products that are rarely owned by other brands, and also we sell a variety home decors and interior needs. To make it easier for customer, also Heaven and Hearts is divided into three colors categories: monochrome, minimalist, and colorful.
For the measurable, we will measure our success every month, whether it's the way we have been successful or not. Whether it's already efficient or other ways, we will make a change, and you are always looking for the gap in something that hasn't been owned at other brands. Achievable, a French H&H product are eco-friendly. There is recycling product in which we can use product or item there are no longer useful. Product with a low price but world-class quality. H&S employees will always train every week to be able to serve consumer well. For the relevant product sold by H&H with consumer needs have been matched, using raw material also derived from the recycled products can also result from the product cost. For the time bond, increases for every 3 months by 5%, increases web visitor by 10% every 3 months.
Consumer behavior. Cultural factor. Cultural factor is the most basic determining factor in terms of a person's desire and behavior because culture involves all aspects of human life. Culture is the most fundamental determinant of consumer desire and behavior. Subculture consists of nationalities, religions, racial group, and geographical area. Many subcultures make up important market segments, and market often design marketing product and program tailored to their needs. Social factor. In addition to cultural factor, a consumer behavior is also influenced by social factor, such as a reference group, family, as well as role and status. The reference group a reference group consists of all groups that have a direct or indirect influence on one's attitude or behavior. The reference group also affects a person's personal behavior and concepts. The reference group creates pressure to follow group habit that might affect a person actual product and brand choice. Family is the most important consumer purchase organization in society, and it has become the object of extensive research. Family members are the most influential primary reference group. More direct influence on purchasing behavior every day is a protective family. Procreative family, namely couples and children. Roles and status roles include activity that are expect to be carried out by someone. Each role produce status. For example, sales manager have a higher status than office employees. Next, personal factor. Personal factor are a way of collecting and grouping the consistency of an individual's reaction to an ongoing situation. A person's behavior in buying something is also influenced by the personality factor of the consumer concerned. Personal factor combine the psychological order and the influence of the informant, including the character, the basis of a person, especially their dominant characteristics. Although personality is one of the concepts that is useful in studying consumer behavior, some marketers believe that personality affects the type and brand of the product purchased. Psychological factor. Consumer purchase choice are influenced by four main psychological factors, namely motivation, perception, learning, as well as belief and stance. Motivation. Consumers have many needs at a certain time. Some needs are biogenic. Perception. A motivated consumer will be ready to act. How a motivated consumer will be influenced by his perception of a particular situation. Perception is a process used by consumer to choose, organize, and interpret information inputs to create a picture of a meaningful Word paragraph text. Next. Our logo, we use the H&H logo, which means heaven and heart, with a combination of warm brown color, giving a warm impression like the name of our brand. And also with an elegant logo, it can attract the attention of consumer. And one of our branding strategies is to attract our consumer. Heart has the tagline, "Best experience, the right place to start a new journey," especially for fresh marriage. And brand slogan, "Furniture to save our future." This slogan is in line with our eco-friendly product identity, so it can help protect the earth and better future. On all the product we sell, we always include our logo, namely H&H, whatever it is, and we also display our logo on our advertisement, such as on billboards, so that our consumer are interested in H&H product, and we also don't forget to display the tagline Heaven and Heart. Next. Every marketing message will emphasize the quality of the products, the comfort and warmth offered by Heaven and Heart. Consistent content will be delivered through social media, blogs, and other marketing materials. The marketing campaign will kick off with a series of engaging and informative content on social media and the blog. Content will focus on providing tips and tricks for creating a cozy home atmosphere, as well as offering insight into Heaven and Heart products. Consistency in design, messaging, and action will be key to success. Every interaction with customer, both online and offline, will portray the desired brand image, fostering strong and enduring relationship with customer. And that's all from us. Thank you very much.